everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would show everybody the aftermath of last night. We had an eventful night last night. I'm just hanging my washing out. Oh, I got this tap off. Yeah, I let the chooks out yesterday to be nice because it's their favourite thing to do. And then I try to put them all to bed. Usually with the chooks, to try and get them all to come back into the coop, I feed them late at night. Well, before like 6. Anywho. Oh. Yeah. Tried to feed them last night to put them all back in the coop, and they weren't having it. They weren't interested in their food, and they I couldn't catch them. I couldn't put them back in their coop. So I spent ages trying to freaking run around the backyard with us all back, trying to catch chickens, and yeah, one just disappeared and I couldn't find it at all. And the other 3 wouldn't go back into their coop. So I ended up just leaving the door open, to their coop, and hoping that once it got dark, they'd go back in and it'd be all good. So I went out to check it about, whenever it got dark. And the 3 that were out put themselves to bed, so I chucked the door shut on the coop. They are never ever going outside their coop again, because I don't want to have to deal with that again. And the other one, I just couldn't find it. So anyway, last night I'm sound asleep. Well, actually I had a pretty crappy sleep last night, so I wasn't sound asleep. It would have been like 3 in the morning. 3 in the morning, and I hear a chicken, that's my bedroom window there. Under the window there, I hear a chicken squeal 3 times, and I'm laying in bed and I'm thinking, oh, that's that fox. I mean, that's that chicken. A fox has just got it. I come out this morning to put the chickens, to take the dogs to the toilet. Not the chickens, the dogs. And yeah, I come out and I just follow the trail. And that one's got blood on it. And there's just a big trail around a backyard of feathers. So, and then it sort of goes over this way, because there's a patch of feathers over here. So it must have brought it over there. And then I think it took off this way. Oh no, went under the tree, because there's a couple feathers there. It must have gone this way. Yeah, look at all the feathers here. So I had a great old time. More feathers. And then more feathers. Until we get to the fence here. So it must have just hopped through here. Unless it went under. I guess a fox could pull under, I don't know. But it's like chicken wire here, so yeah. Anyway, out to where Mr. Foxy lives. So yeah, we lost a chicken last night. Dogs are very interested. What happened to the chicken? Hey? What happened? What happened, Mama? There's no chicken for you to eat. No. They're both sussing it out. What happened though? following the trail. What happened, Wilma? What happened to the chicken? Did it go under there? I think it went up that way. Anyway, yeah. So now we have 5 chickens, down from 6 from yesterday. I am never letting my chickens out of the coop again, which really annoys me because you get a better quality of egg if the chickens are allowed to like free range. You can tell in the colour of the yolk, it's a more orange colour than if they're left in their coop and they're not as happy. The yolk colour will turn like more of a yellow colour instead of an orange colour. So, but yeah, I just can't risk it. Can't risk losing my chickens. And now that the fox knows that it's had a free meal here, it'll be back for my other girls. So I can't risk. Hey girls, you had an eventful night. Lucky you 3 came home again last night. They're all very skittish today. Yeah, wasn't a very nice night for chickens. It was for the fox. What was I saying? Yeah, they're never coming out of the coop again. Ever. Ever. So annoying. Yeah, and this weekend, Simon and I are going to go to our chicken man. Oh, we have another pile over here. Didn't check over here. He must have. Gosh, he dragged it all over the backyard. Should have been like a crime detective. Probably not a very good one though. Yeah, there's a couple of. I think it was hiding under the tank over there, like when I was trying to round the chooks up last night. That's what I think happened. So I couldn't find it. And last night I was so angry at the chickens for not going back in. The one that was missing, I was just like, fuck it, I'll find it tomorrow. Or, you know, whatever. Now looking back, now I've lost it. I wish I had been more calm, taken some deep breaths, and had a search around for it. Because it was probably right there under the tank hiding. Anyway, we'll get another couple of chickens this weekend. I was thinking I was just going to replace it with 1 and go back to 6 chickens. But I might actually I might just grab 2. I was going to grab 3 and have 8, but 7's a good number. And yeah, sometimes we end up with too many eggs anyway, so I think probably we'll grab another 2 on the weekend. So yeah, what day is it today? I'm hopeless, I don't even know the day. It's Friday, so tomorrow. So yeah, I might try and film me picking out new chickens next. So we got our new babies. This is not what we intended on getting. I've had to put them in the bird cage because they're so small. We ended up getting 4 new baby chickens. They're a little skittish at the moment, but that's alright. Aren't they cute? Babies. Oh. He's so cute. I sure did. Oh. Yeah, the guy had completely sold out of chickens except for these little baby ones. That's all he had left. And most of these were sold too. Oh, I know you're scared. I'm sorry. Oh, I can feel it shaking. I should put it back. They've probably never been held. But yeah, I think because of the chicken flu, bird flu, everyone's started buying chicken eggs. I just put this pot in here, hoping to give them something to hide in, but now they're just all jumped on top of it. So it didn't work at all. I'll leave them in there. Leave it in there anyway. Hi babies. See you now? And then we'll jump off. And to the other side. I put it there so you could have something to hide in. You're very scared, I get it. It's all new, isn't it? Yes. But these aren't gonna lay for like 6 months. So I thought I'd leave them in here, their beautiful bird cage here. I'll leave them in there till they outgrow it really, because I can't put them in the chicken coop yet because they'll be able to get under the fence, and I've lost 2 chickens already to the dogs next door when the chickens get under the fence. So yeah, we'll leave them in there. Rimmer got a new jumper today. She is our head of security. Say hello everybody. Mama, do you look so tough? No, you don't. Simon went to the pet shop and came back with that for a new jumper. Looks so cute, don't you, Wilma? Are you so cool, Wilma? Are you so cute? Are you so cute? What are you doing? You're beautiful. So cute. Quick update on my veggies. Look how big these spinach leaves are. Growing some good spinach this year, aren't we, Wilma? I just planted some sweet peas in there the other day that Simon brought home. I'll stick this up next to it for them to climb on when they get a bit bigger, but I just put this on top of it because the birds get in there and scratch around if I don't have them on top. Those spring onions I thought were going to die, but they've come along now. And my big spring onions, these are all ready to harvest, but I'm going to go for big spring onions again, like I had when I first moved here. So yeah, that's all I'm growing. Still got the strawberries, just keeping them alive, not getting anything. It's the wrong season for them anyway, but I didn't even get any strawberries in summer off them. So yeah, that's about it. It's a really nice day, except for the chemtrails being sprayed everywhere today. And you can see them up there. But still a really nice day. Hasn't whited out the sky yet, so that's good. So enjoying the sun while we can. Simon's just gone to get a star picket and he's taking forever because we have a bit of a problem with the chicken coop. I noticed the other day one of the poles was bit on a lean. See, We've got a bit of a lean happening, and it's actually rotted out from down the bottom there. The whole thing's moving. So Simon's gonna get a star picket and stick it next to it. It's actually, God. Yeah, as long as it stands up. The others are all good, so we're good once he does that. And yeah, just keep it standing. Just gotta keep those chickens in and the foxes out. I thought that was a contrail to start with, but it's not. Because contrails disappear quickly. Chemtrails stay in the air and spread out and ruin your day. Make a nice day overcast and shitty. Plus poisoning the earth.
To manage and saving you some hard-earned cash too.
I love this dog
That's all
so
kinds of
much.
useful.
I love how she just falls asleep on me.
On a distant world,
Cuddly.
darkness
Just the
marched
cutest,
ever closer.
sweetest thing.
In the hour of reckoning, you stood as one.
I love you, Rima. So very much.
And all the while, you were vacuuming. Audible. There's more to imagine when you listen.
So far, we've mainly focused on circumstantial